Welcome back to this video. I need to fix my chair. In today's video, I'm gonna show you and teach you why you don't have an ads problem. You're being sold a lie. You don't have an ads problem. You have a bigger problem. And in this video, I'm gonna show you what you need to look for and how to fix your problem, because it is getting worse and worse and worse. So, there are businesses out there, probably you're running ads right now and you're not seeing success. You're getting shitty leads. You're getting extremely expensive cost per leads, extremely expensive cost per follows, etc. And it's because you've been sold a lie, unfortunately. So, and I've seen this more and more with the rise of fake coaches out there. The only way they can make somebody buy their shitty program or their group coaching call, or the only way they can convince you to join a horrible Discord channel as a community, is that they overpromise and they underdeliver. They give you templates that you can just plug and play and run ads with those. Very cheap templates or very cheap Canva made like square templates with some text, and they just say run this ad, it's gonna give you leads. And now you're getting shitty leads. You're spending your hard-earned money because you hired somebody that doesn't care about your business. They just care about having you inside of the program. And now they're giving you this solution and you're getting leads and you're getting all this stuff. They're shitty, and now you're overthinking and you're thinking if the ads are the problem. The problem is not the ads. The problem is that you made a bad decision in the first place. And there's a bunch of things that are happening. And in this video, I'm gonna give you some clarity with all this stuff. And let's just dive right into it. Okay, so let me just jump into my whiteboard real quick. Awesome. All right, so I know this looks confusing. Bear with me. This is gonna make a lot of sense. All right, so I want you to think about your ads, and I'm gonna try and make this video super short, just straight to the point, give you the give you the information you need. And before I give you all this is not coming from some hypothesis, some theory of what I'm seeing in the market. This is literally coming from years and years of experience in the trenches, and more than $20 million spent in Facebook and Instagram ads for companies you probably use and 100% heard before. They trusted me with millions of dollars to run ads, and I keep running ads for people. And this is from literally experience and being in the trenches. Not to mention literally having teams inside Facebook giving me insight about what's happening with ads and all that stuff. So this is not from theory, this is from actually being in the trenches for many years. And if you don't know who I am, well, 3 minutes in, my name is Augusto. I'm the founder and CEO of AVX Systems, and I help online coaches and consultants scale their business with my systems, and making sure that once we turn on paid media, it actually converts and it crushes, right? It's not just ads, it's the entire ecosystem that I'm gonna show you today, and these are the things that you need to fix today. So you wanna think about your ad as an entire little planet. Yes, this is a planet, bear with me. Your ad is not just an ad, your ad is your budget. Your ad is the copy that you put in, the headline, the body of text, the URL, etc. The post-click experience, what happens when somebody engages with your ad. Conversion learning, meaning depending on how many conversions you're having, what information is feeding into your pixel, and how Facebook is self-optimizing based on the data that it's gathering. Your ad is your targeting, and obviously your creative as well. It's a bunch of different things. Now, to make an ad go live, it's very easy. Literally, you just put a creative, a copy, not even have to do targeting, and then hit publish. That's it. Confusing why people still pay premium for coaches that just want to be like, yo, I'll give you like everything you need for ads, and they just give you shitty stuff, and it's the easiest thing. So here's what you have to do. All right, so again, you gotta think about your ad about this little planet with a bunch of different variables and stuff like that you need to make sure they're good. So if your fake coaches are giving you a template and it has like grammar mistakes on it, you're gonna get shitty leads, obviously. So you're paying money for Facebook to give you a stream of eyeballs, right? To either your top of funnel, your middle of funnel, or your bottom of funnel. You're paying money for that, right? But if your world is bad or there's wrong stuff with it, you're gonna bring people in, like stream of eyes, that are shitty to all these areas. But now, what I'm seeing now when I'm having conversations with coaches over the phone, over Zoom, and they come to me saying, yo dude, I have an ads problem, I'm spending money, nothing's converting. The real problem lies not on the ad, because Facebook is extremely smart, but a combination of the shitty ad that you're running, if it's shitty, and what's happening here, the post-click experience. Okay, Facebook is really smart. So even if you tell Facebook, you know, give me leads, and your ad is shitty, you're gonna get leads because Facebook knows where to find those leads, right? But you're gonna get shitty leads if it's a shitty ad and your copy is bad, or your budget is not good, your creative is bad. So it's not the ad itself, maybe your creative is bad, maybe your copy is bad, maybe your post-click experience is bad, which is what I'm seeing in most of the cases. So you're sending people to your top of funnel. Let's just, you know, what is top of funnel? Maybe you're sending people to a landing page, or you're gathering leads. Maybe that's just your top of funnel. But maybe your top of funnel is like seeing things like impressions, follow, likes, views, stuff like that. But if you're sending the wrong people to the wrong top of funnel destination, it's gonna be shitty experience. It's not gonna be good. But what happens when you knock this out, which is honestly very easy, but very easy, as for me it comes just to second nature and I know what works. But this is the easiest part. The hardest part is knocking down this and making sure this is good. So how does your Instagram page look? Is it good? Are you talking to the right people? Is your offer good? Which is most of the times it's not. You just being an online fitness coach is not a good offer. You just being a finance coach is not a good offer. You just being a mindset coach is not a good offer. There are millions of people just like you. So what makes you different? So if your ad is good and you're getting leads and you're getting people to come into your Instagram profile or your landing page, but when they get there, your top of funnel is just shitty, obviously you're not gonna get results. So you don't have an ads problem. You have a top of funnel problem. What happens when it's middle of funnel? What happens when you're sending people to a VSL, for example? If your offer is not good, simply put, you're not gonna get the results you're looking for. Very simple. And again, I want to make this very, very like ingrain this in your mind and in your head. Like, yo, ads are easy, okay? And I say this carefully because of one thing. That one thing being, you can literally just make an ad where you just selfie, talk to the camera. But if your messaging is good, your offer is good, your energy in the video is good, you are going to get good eyeballs. It's so easy. Trust me, it really is. But now you're being distracted because all these fake coaches are saying, I'm gonna give you templates, I'm gonna give you AI prompts, I'm gonna give you ChatGPT stuff. In reality, they have not done the thing. So they're just selling you smoke screens. This is the easy part. When you know it, when you know a couple things that it's so easy. The copy, you know, when you understand Facebook contextual targeting and stuff like that, this becomes very easy. But you have to fix your top of funnel. You have to fix your landing page. Your messaging has to be good. Your VSL has to be good. The video, the way you speak, the messaging, the promise, the vehicle, those things have to be dialed in, because you're just putting fuel to the fire, but your fire just sucks. It's not there. Or you're sending people to bottom of funnel. So, you know, booking sales calls, booking demo calls, booking strategy calls, and selling people into your program. The thing is, maybe your sales booking page sucks, right? Or the way people go from top of funnel to bottom of funnel is broken, and you have a systems issue, right? There are a million things that you have to look into before you start running ads. And guess what? I have clients with very little following and they haven't even turned ads on and they're crushing it. Why? Because we made sure this top of funnel was dialed in. Their middle of funnel was dialed in. Their bottom of funnel was dialed in. What happens after we dial this shit in? We created systems around all of this so that now when we turn ads on, boom, instantly. And now through building the top of funnel, creating better content, my client has been teaching himself on how to present himself on camera, have better quality of videos, better voice projection, better energy, better all stuff. And now his Instagram is good. His content is speaking to all awareness levels. It's just good. He doesn't have an ad problem. He had this problem, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel, top of funnel. And most importantly, he had an offer and messaging problem. So if your offer is not dialed in, fix that first before looking into another inexperienced dancing monkey. That's what I call those fake coaches out there. Before you start looking into these people and say like, yeah, I want your latest ChatGPT prompt because AI is so awesome, and I want your ChatGPT AI templates. I want your lead forms. I want your funnels created by AI. You're being sold all this shiny object syndromes when in reality, you have this problem that you need to fix first. But guess what? These people, unfortunately, are not going to fix that for you. They've never done it themselves. They've never done it. Okay? And again, I'm not saying this with just like theory or prediction or stuff like that. It's from almost half a decade of doing this stuff for companies and multinationals, companies that spend millions of dollars on ads a month. And I understand this entire process. And before we started running ads, we had to look into this stuff first, making sure that was as good as it could get. And then you pay for data with ads, you pay for data, and then you make optimizations. And then you make, Facebook learn based on the actions it's doing and results it's getting, or lack thereof, honestly. Making sure your post-click experience, again, a bunch of shit. But I hope that makes sense. In reality, you can literally make a shitty ad and tell Facebook, give me leads, you'll get shitty leads. But then again, it's getting out of hand. Like, I've seen extremely horrible ads out there with very bad messaging, bad templates, and people are just getting shitty leads because everything is bad. You're thinking you have an ad problem, you don't. You have an everything problem, right? But you have to be able to dissect your own funnel and understand what are the things that you're doing wrong. In most cases, what I'm seeing with my clients, the people I'm getting on the phone or on and with, is this stuff. The easiest fix is fix your offer and fix your messaging. And I have videos in my YouTube channel going over this stuff and how you can fix this thing. Once you fix that, I also have other videos on how to dissect your own funnel and make sure you use data to understand what are things that you need to fix. And that's about it. Again, I hope this was helpful. I wanted to make a quicker video today, but all in all, down in the description below, I'm going to put some links in there. And what I want you to do is go and watch the offer video. But most importantly, if you have any questions, literally just send me a DM on IG. My DMs are open. I'm here to help. And I'm here to make sure you don't fall in the trap of fake, inexperienced coaches, because there's a lot of them out there, unfortunately. And unfortunately, they're making people like you be very skeptical about good coaches out there, like myself and a bunch of other people that I know. Again, my name is Augusto, founder, owner, AVX Systems. I help online coaches and consultants to scale the right way with the right systems that have been proven by millions of dollars in spend, and systems that are meant to just give you easiness of client acquisition. So if you have any questions, more links down below. If you want to book a call with me, the link will be down below. And I'll see you on the next video. If you found this helpful, please give this a like. And if you haven't, subscribe as well, because I'm going to keep, hammering in with good content and good stuff. And if you have any questions in the comments below, let me know. Or if you want to learn about something that you've been struggling in with your business, also let me know. I'll see you in the next one.